Are you looking for SociSmart review? Well, you have arrived at the right destination. In this review, I am going to taking a closer look at SociSmart and see what all the noises in the marketplace is about. Also, I will give you my honest opinion as I reveal the truth behind this interesting tool, so you can decide whether it's worth your money or not. So, what is SociSmart? SociSmart is the ultimate certificate program designed to revolutionize your social media marketing strategies with backdoor access to untapped secret from a 185 million people audience. This program is set to change the game. This 5-day certification program will teach you 10 beginner friendly income streams using the hot new free app Threads. Act quickly as access is limited and selling fast. But first, if you are new to my channel, my name is Abhay. I'm a digital marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. All the details of OTOs, upsells and discount are present in the description. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, by purchasing this game-changing product through the link in the description, you will also unlock a treasure of additional exclusive bonuses of worth $2,000 that will help you boost your marketing strategies. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to take your business to new heights. Get ready to witness the power of SociSmart. As we all know, Thread is officially the fastest growing social media platform in history. SociSmart Upsell is your ticket to establish, master and monetize this app and far beyond. Benefits of SociSmart Pro OTOs is member-only dashboard, unlimited ongoing access, 5-day challenge content and supportive community. With this 5-day certification program, you will learn 10 beginner friendly income streams using the hot new free app Threads. But act quickly because access is limited and selling fast. As a member of SociSmart, you will gain exclusive benefits such as membership dashboard access, expert only resources, 5-day challenge videos and PDFs, replays, cheat sheets, and much more. Plus, after completion, you will receive a certificate and unlock unlimited access. Here are the features of SociSmart. Membership dashboard access. As a SociSmart member, you will receive exclusive benefits through a membership dashboard. This dashboard acts as your central hub for all the resources and tools you need to success in social media marketing journey. Expert only resources. Gain access to expert only resources that are specifically designed to enhance your social media marketing skills. These resources are meant to provide you with insider knowledge that will give you a competitive edge. 5-day challenge videos and PDFs. This program includes engaging videos and PDFs that guide you through a 5-day challenge. These resources are designed to further enhance your learning experience and provide you with practical tips and strategies. Replays and cheat sheets. In case you miss any session or need a quick refresher, replays and cheat sheets are available to ensure you stay on the top of the content and master the concept taught in the program. Last but not the least, certification and unlimited access. After completion of this program, you will receive a certificate as a proof of your expertise. This certificate unlock unlimited access to all the program's resources, ensuring that you can continue to learn and grow your skills. Plus these amazing 6 bonuses: 5-day done for you content planner, 6 Threads insider secrets, Threads ChatGPT toolkit, DM your Threads followers, Threads affiliate mastery, 30 done for you social posts and images. Also, don't worry, there are more bonuses waiting for you. Even complete beginner can turn a mobile phone into traffic, signups and sales with just few taps. Step 1, download the free app. Step 2, follow their training. Step 3, access 10 plus income streams. And that's it. Now, who is SociSmart for? SociSmart is suitable for a wide range of individuals and businesses looking to enhance their social media marketing strategies. Here are some examples. Entrepreneurs and small business owners who wants to leverage social media to increase their online presence and drive more traffic to their businesses. Freelancers and digital marketers who want to upgrade their skills and stay ahead of the competition. Affiliate marketers looking for new income streams and opportunities to monetize their online presence. Content creator and influencers who want to expand their reach and engage with their audience in new and innovative ways. Pros and cons of SociSmart. Some of the pros are comprehensive certificate program that covers various income streams and strategies, exclusive resources and tool available for SociSmart members, access to the fastest growing social media platform Threads, bonuses that enhances the value of this program, supported by success stories from satisfied customers. Now, some of the cons of this SociSmart are limited access and availability, must keep up with the pace of the 5-day challenge, reliance on the Thread app, which may be subject to change or updates. Now it's time for OTOs and Upsells details. Front end, that is SociSmart Academy, will cost you $17. First OTO, SociSmart Advanced Series for $27. Second OTO, SociSmart Bridge Funnels. Now there are three options. First is 3 social media platforms done for you traffic funnel for $27. Second option is 10 social media platforms done for you traffic funnel $47. And the third option is editable access to all 10 plus agency level license and access for $197. And the third OTO, SociSmart bundle, for $247, and you can get a $50 discount on that. Lots of bonuses are waiting for you, so make your decision fast. If you don't take action now, you will miss out on being one of the first one to dominate your market and this revolutionized technology. So don't let this happen to you. Don't regret getting the SociSmart at a higher price, or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now, and thank you so much for checking out my SociSmart review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click the link in the description below, where you can also see exclusive bonuses with SociSmart. Also, like this video and please subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate it. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.
Fearless.